Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to monetize your WordPress blog or how to apply for your blog monetization. And specifically, I'll be dealing with WordPress here. So this is what you need to do. So first of all, what I want to advise is that you must have your blog article or your WordPress website. You must have many articles written on it already. And so if you don't have, you see, as I just showed you here, I have written about 20 articles. The reason why you need to write some significant number of articles is Google need to see that you are having some traffic, and normally they want to see some real genuine human traffic, organic traffic, yes, before you will need to monetize. And again, I want to advise that among your blog articles, make sure that there is no dummy text. Dummy text, for those of you that may not know, for WordPress, any place that you are supposed to put content and you haven't edited and put content yet, they will put some kind of dummy text there for you. So make sure that all the tabs on your website or all the pages on your website is having text or real content and not just any dummy text that is there. Okay, make sure that is done. Also make sure that you have the privacy policy or terms and conditions, and in the privacy policy, remember to put that you run ads, okay, or if they may see content and then, or as they read the content, they may see advert, and when they see the advert, it may help you get money. Just privacy policy and add your socials. Just make sure that your blog is complete and there's no any dummy text on any side. Okay, when that is done, come to so go to, let's come here and then click on the Google Apps icon, and then you go to, you see AdSense. Google, no, not Google Ads. I want to go to Google AdSense. Okay, so if you're not seeing the AdSense, just go to google.com/what AdSense. Okay, it will bring you here. So let's just go there together. Google, or you can even type Google AdSense. Okay, so click on it. It will bring you here and ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account, you click on sign up. I already have an account, so I'll just click on sign in. Now it brings me to my account. So as you can see, it says add your site, and it also says explore. So I'll click on what? Add your site. So I'll just go and copy my site. So I just make it. So you add the domain. Then after that, you click on save. And now you click on let us go. Now, as you can see here, it says verify site ownership. Then you see AdSense code snippet and then ads.text snippet and meta tag. So I am going to use this particular one. So use this one. Then you come to your WordPress dashboard. Now, before I go to the site where I will show you how to connect, I want to just let you know that you need this particular plugin, which is Sitekit. It helps you to see if you have, at least to be able to see your dashboard, how your content is performing and all of that. As you can see, I have 14 visitors here. Among all my content, you see my pages on the site, which part people are visiting, and their impressions here. You also see the countries where people are coming from. So if I come here, I see the locations. I see different countries: China, Ghana, India, and others. Okay, so try to install the Sitekit plugin. So you come, and now I'm now continuing to the the code installation, this particular the AdSense installation, this code that I copied. I'm continuing that installation now. Okay, so you come to the plugins and then click on add plugin, and then type header footer. Looking for header footer code manager. Okay, this is the one I'm looking for. So we click on install, and when it's installed, you click on activate. So after it is activated, come and click on settings, and then you click on add new snippet. Then here you type, you save it, put the name as what, Google AdSense. Google AdSense. Here leave it as HTML. Here also leave it as site wide. The location to leave it as header, because if you look here, it says to get your site ready to show ad, copy and paste this code between the head tags on each page of your website. So the head is at the header section. That is the reason why here we are selecting header. Then show on all devices, status should be active. Then you come here and paste the code. So that is exactly the code that I copied. I've just pasted it. So after you paste it, scroll down and click on save. Make sure that you are doing the right thing or following all these steps, because if you make a mistake, it will break down your website. So you come and click on save. Yeah, so after you save, come back here and click on tap I have placed the code and click on verify. As you see, it says your site is verified. Now after you verify your site, click on next. It says you verify the ownership. Now you can request for review. Requesting for review means that we review the site to check it complies with AdSense program, and the AdSense program, the policies and everything are here. You can follow it to know everything that you're supposed to do. Okay, now let me just show you. So you go ahead to click on what, request review. Now you can add ads to your site. So create a consent message for your site. So I'm going to select this one, then click on submit. So this particular part, you can change the settings at any time. Now that you have submitted your blog for AdSense, you can come back and then let me just show you. So this one, it normally takes some few days. They themselves will say it takes up to a month, but from my experience, within 48 to 72 hours, they will normally approve it. So you just have to keep on checking your email. If they approve it, it will be sent to your email. Then here you can come and click on explore ad. Now you can add various types of advert to your website. So you see auto ads, turn them on. Intent driven, add intent, acknowledge, and then turn on all these. Apply to site, then click on save. So that is exactly how to apply for blog monetization. If you follow this step-by-step process and you still have any concern, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the Telegram or WhatsApp link. I will leave a WhatsApp link in the description of this video. You can follow it to contact me, and I will help you resolve those issues. Thank you for watching once again, and you can leave your comments, and remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.